Sandy Points in North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 39 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 60 nautical miles west of Quantico to 99 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Pools Island, Spissooty Island, Greenberry Point, Love Point, Naval Academy, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, 7-Foot Knoll, Pinehurst, and Colchester Beach. Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding 11:15 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Havre de Grace to 34 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Blackownet Point, Chesapeake Beach, Solomon's Island, Tuckle Creek, Town Creek, Shadyside, North Beach, Drum Point, Herring Bay, Romancoke, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, Poplar Island, Tillman Island, Taylor's Island, and Deal.
Marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 11:15 p.m. At 10:24 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from Spissooty Island to 9 nautical miles northwest of Aquia Creek to 52 nautical miles west of Brent Point, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, 4 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Gunpowder River, Severn River, Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Spissooty Island, Love Point, Naval Academy, Baltimore Light, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, 7-Foot Knoll, Pinehurst, and Colchester Beach. In Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Tangy Bloodsworth Island, until midnight. At 10:34 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Northeast River to 25 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 40 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.